This is the ShoulderSink. First, this is a UK market, so I'll say one thing. We have decided up front that this should be a hand wash. It should be compact, easy to install, and we didn't want to heat the water because heated water and hygiene has nothing to do with each other. In Denmark and here, there's 5 days a year where it's convenient to have hot water, and there you can put in a kettle of boiling water. But otherwise, it gives us a lot of other benefits. First of all, when you use it, you don't smear the manure or oil or whatever you have on your hands on the taps. You simply do like in a hospital and bend it down. You use 2 seconds of water, you take it up again, and you take the soap. You get cleaner hands because you're not stressing about running water. And after you have lathered your hands for 10 seconds, you take it down again, you rinse for 6 seconds, and altogether you've used 8 seconds of water. It runs for 6.5 minutes. That means you have 35 to 40 hand washes inside. You also have 115 meters of paper inside, make it very compact, and that's enough for about 200 hand washes. The bin is placed down here, and you can make your own specialized cleaning solution by maybe adding a barrier cream, a sunscreen, food grade soap, whatever you need. It comes with an installation bracket, so it's super easy to place on the back door of the vehicle, but you can also bring it along. If you work away from the vehicle, it will come with a shoulder strap, so you can still be carrying your tools. Third of the cost, third of the space compared to heated vehicles, heated sinks. And then you have more capacity and no cross-contamination.